Friends, welcome to my channel, Excellence for Sure. Excellence is required for success, and this is for any individual as well as for any organization also. The objective of this channel is to provide basic learning, tools, and mechanism, and set of strategy to achieve excellence in the area of productivity improvement, cost reduction, quality improvement, as well as in the delivery improvement. So in this competitive environment, if you see doing things differently should be mantras for success. For sure you require excellence, so that is what excellence for sure. Hope you like all video whatever I will upload here, and definitely this video will actually help you to learn a few strategy how to improve your your learnings and also improve your business strategy. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also as well as you share the videos to others also. So we'll start today's so I'll start from introduction to Minitab. So you might have heard that Minitab is a very good statistical software for analytics. So you can do a lot of analysis through statistical analysis through Minitab. So here we'll go for the first video on introduction to Minitab. Okay, so you'll open this Minitab. When you'll open this Minitab, you'll find this screen where there are three things here. The first setup in the top, so that is called tools bar and drop down menus. So here you can, from here you can get different drop down menus under start graph. So if you go to start, then a lot of basic statistics, regression, these things you'll get. And this window, it is called session window, and next window it is called your project window. So another window is also there, that is a graph window. So later on when we'll actually go, so I'll show you. So the basically if you see, when you'll open this Minitab, so there will be three windows. One is a session window, second is a project window, and third is a graph windows. So in this module, we want you to get the feel of Minitab. So we are going to do this by first discussing the Minitab windows and then the drop down menus. Already I have explained here. So at the top of the screen, there are drop down menus and toolbars which work like most Microsoft applications. Below that we have two windows, the session window and the project windows. The graphs window is not shown at startup, but it is also commonly used. So the project window is mainly used for, so this project window is mainly used to enter data into Minitab and used in a similar way to Microsoft Excel. So this you can directly copy data from Microsoft Excel and you can paste here. So it works like Microsoft Excel. However, the main difference is that Minitab wants you to present data in columns and is quite strict about having the same data format within a column. The session window is where, so this session window where the user is given numerical output. So once you paste this data and you do some analysis, so after that the result will be actually shown here in this session window. So you can say this any analysis output will be coming here. So you will have that graphs window is where the user is given graphical outputs. So graphs can exist in their own windows, but it's best to keep them minimized and only call them up when you need them for the graphs folder. So now that we know what the windows do, let us learn to move between the windows. So if you see here are one is in the menus, file is there. So in the file you can create if you want a new project, so you can create this. So this Minitab worksheet will come, so you can, if you click on OK, so then another worksheet will open. So whenever you want to add a worksheet, you can go from file, then new, then you can click on Minitab worksheet. So in that way you can open a new worksheet. Then this is the start menu. This is a very vital one. So from here you'll get lot of menus here, like basic statistics. From basic statistics you can go for descriptive statistics, then graphical summary, 1t test, 2t test, 1p test, and also this normality test also you can do from here. Then regression analysis you can also perform from here. So this basically start columns will have where we can do this statistical analysis. Graphical graph menus, it will actually give you where you want to do graphical analysis, like scatter plot, matrix plot, marginal plot, and box plot. So these are the graphical analysis you can do from this menu, graph menu. So we are talking about, so file drop down. So this file drop down should be similar, as it is similar to the most Microsoft program. And project and worksheet description allow. So here if you see project and worksheet, this is project and this is worksheet. Description allows the user to enter information about either item. So this can be very useful when you refer back to the work in the future. So open worksheet and other files both allow the import of data from various common files. So open worksheet or open project, so here you can actually import data. There are options for printing presented here. However, from my experience, printing for the purpose of is not used that often. So this is because right clicking on any object also gives custom editing option. So whenever you will be performing any analysis, so there also you can directly right click and you can edit anything over there. So that's why this edit drop down menu or edit tab is not used frequently. So in data tab, so top half of the tool set is used to arrange the data that is in the worksheet window. On occasion, subsets may need be moved from the same column to adjacent columns and vice versa. Yeah, so now we'll go to start menu. So start menu, so as I already said, so this is a start menu is the heart of the Minitab and contains the majority of the statistical tests. Okay, so this book, so here, if you see this drop down, we'll focus on a number of these menus and sub menus. We'll be doing going into regression, ANOVA, DOE, control charts, and quality tools and sub menu. So I was saying, so this is basic statistic, regression, ANOVA, DOE. So under these menus, there are a lot of sub menus are also there. So maybe in the next video I'll explain one by one. So in the graphs menu, so using these graphs to display data is usually a quick and easy way to see trends, and should be done in the early stages of analysis. So the graph menu in Minitab supplies a large variety of graphical tools which can provide a very different insights into the data than you would normally see with standard spreadsheet programs. So Minitab will generate a large number of these graphs when statistical tests are carried out. So that's all in this video. So we explained what is the basic how to open this Minitab and what are the basic drop down menus and tools are there. So hope you like this video, and best of luck, and you can learn and you can utilize this learning, and you can take benefit out of it. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. So click on bell icon and choose the all option there, and you can subscribe this channel. Thank you.